Catherine Bernardo update. Yung post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, free midnight smooches. Ang cute pa nga ng dalawa. Si Catherine sa si Snowy. And sana all kinigis. Cute
Confident?
Ito for Ideal Vision ni Catherine.
Yan ang feels when you find your alagang ideal. Expert care with every checkup. Wellness products for ideal vision and hearing. Ideal choices that fit our needs. Malinaw. Diba?
Yan,
Hi.
Ito for
Just a little
Uratex.
reminder that World Sleep Month officially starts today. And
Birth month
Uratex
na
is
rin ni
here to help
Catherine.
you prioritize better sleep.
Lapit na birthday
Drop
ni
by
Catherine.
our stores for special deals and fun activities all month long. Enjoy!
Sa post ng Cinema 1, nagpapalabas ngayon March ang mga movie ni Catherine. Ng 5 p.m. yan. March 1, Hello Love, Goodbye. March 8, Daisy Beautiful You. March 15, The House of Us. March 22, Must Be Love. And March 29, Can Help Fall in Love, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. Please switch charging action like. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.